Hi, it's Sam Wilson, Sam Wilson Home Selling Team at eXp Realty, the Realtor helping realtors with video number 4 in this value stack about networking for success. And this video is about how to network. So there is actually some skill to this, and there is a little bit of process to it. So first is to add and offer value. So first, it's important to have some value to offer people in order to demonstrate your value. I go to a lot of networking events where people just want to, can I have your card? Can I have your card? They show up, in your email the next day. They don't even call. They just email, maybe text you, hey, I met you last night at the event, and, I have the best insurance on the planet. You should call me to save thousands. That's not networking. That's prospecting. Networking is if you went to an event, you didn't bring any business cards, you struck up a conversation with somebody about the value you offer, but first you ask them all about their business, their life, who they are, why they got in the business they're in, and listen for their wants and needs. Then you can determine if you have something to offer them. So first listen, first receive. It is important to give before you receive, but what you're giving here is simply your interest, your time, and a true desire to get to know somebody to see if you even have any value to offer them. So first, add and offer value. Then listen for wants and needs. And when you listen for wants and needs, that conversation can end with a very quick comment, a very simple offer. And I'll get to that. I've got a section here. I've got a video coming up about asking for referrals and offering the opportunity to network. But you really want to, listen, get to know people first. And then here's why I said you don't bring business cards. You don't stand there and hand out cards. The best way to create a relationship is once you have that conversation, you can ask the person you're speaking with for their card, and you can follow up the next day. And in that follow-up, it'll all be about the conversation and what you learned about them personally, with absolutely no prospecting. So in our case, it's real estate, right? And you engage in a great conversation with somebody, and you follow up the next day with something more like, it was great to get to know you. I'm so thrilled to hear about, whatever's going on with their family, their partner, their spouse, their children, their parents. And oh, by the way, your email signature has your business information in it. So all you're going to do is ask for some time to get together and get to know you on a little deeper level. And then when we get together to get to know each other a little further, I'd love to hear more about your business. I enjoyed our quick conversation at the event, but I'd love to hear more about your business and how I can help you attract some clients, how I can help my clients get to you once I understand your business a little bit more. So hopefully you can see the difference. If you take one thing away from this video and the stack, stop going to events and just plastering people with your business cards. That's prospecting. And then that call you're making the next day isn't going to go very far. You've been the recipient of it. You know how it feels. Think it through. Let's build relationships. It's not about handing out the most amount of cards. It's about building the most amount of value, even if that was only one person at the event. So hopefully that makes sense. I really have a lot of passion for this, as you can probably tell. And please join me in the next video, video number 5 in this stack of networking, is demonstrating both character and competence and why both are so important when you're networking. I'm Sam Wilson, Sam Wilson Home Selling Team at eXp Realty, the Realtor helping realtors. I'll see you over there in that next video.